Hello mga kayamyam! Ang tanong, yummy ba? Ayan guys, nandito kami saan na tayo? Papunta kami ng Henderson Wave to Mount Faber Park kami guys. So ayan. Kaya, ito na guys. Kami ay nandito na sa papuntang Henderson Wave. Uy, tama ba yung dinadaanan mo, girl? Kakasalubong namin is tapos na sila. Kami papunta pa lang kasi anong oras na kami nakarating dito sa Telok Blanga ay mga 12, hindi, mga 11:30 kami dumating ng Henderson Road, tapos kumain kami, tapos ito na nga, naglakad kami guys ng 12 PM na 12 PM na tayo umalis ng Dominic, no? Ay, Andrea? So ayan, then kami ngayon ay paahon na, mag-hiking na kami guys. Pupunta kaming Henderson Wave, tapos babalik rin kami later. Yes, ayan na nga mga kayamyam. See you later guys. At ito na nga mga kayamyam, nandito na kami sa Henderson Wave. Ganda rin pala dito na kami tumambay. Dito na tayo. Yan, ganito guys ang itsura dito. At ayan guys, yung mapa nito. Ito, nandito tayo guys sa Henderson Waves. Ito ang atin, nandito tayo ngayon. So, mag-picture tayo, kuha tayo ng konting video. Ito, nandito tayo sa Telok Blanga Hill Park ng Singapore. Yan guys, nandito tayo sa Henderson Wave. Ito yung kanyang itsura. Ayan yung baba. Then, ito na guys. Yan yung pala yung under. Ito na pala yung pinagbat. Ito na yun. Nandito tayo guys. We are here in the Henderson Waves ng Telok Blanga. Kapag tayo ay bumaba pa tayo, malapit na tayo sa cable car station guys ng Mount Faber Park. Covering the Southern Ridge. The Southern Ridge comprise a 9-kilometer chain of green open spaces spanning the rolling hills of Mount Faber Park, Telok Blanga Hill Park, and Kent Ridge Park before ending at West Coast Park. It is an area steeped in history and is home to some of nature's greatest gifts of flora and fauna. It is also one of the best spots in Singapore to catch panoramic views of the city, harbor, and the southern island. Convenient connection to prominent connection is stand proudly along the bridge today. Henderson Wave, Singapore's highest pedestrian bridge, spans Henderson Road to connect Mount Faber Park to Telok Blanga Hill Park. The other lake, Alexandra Arch, looks like an open leaf across Alexandra Road. It continues to Forest Walk, which is made up of an elevated walkway for pedestrians and earth trail for cyclists through the secondary forest of Telok Blanga Hill Park. Together with a series of other interesting trails, they provide a seamless link through a floating sanctuary of greenery that was previously not accessible. From plans to reality, the Urban Redevelopment Authority URA first announced plans to build this connection during an exhibition on the parks and water bodies and identity plans in 2002. The proposals aim to enhance our open spaces and water bodies as well as to preserve the distinctive charm and character of unique places in Singapore. These plans received strong support from the public. The design of Henderson Waves and Alexandra Arch, together with the Forest Walk, were selected from an international design competition launched by URA to seek the best concept for the bridges as the key links at the southern ridge. These two connections mark a significant step forward in realizing URA's plans to make the southern ridge yet another delightful destination and recreation playground amidst nature for all to enjoy. Ayan guys, tapos Henderson Wave at 36 meters above Henderson Road. Henderson Waves is the highest pedestrian bridge in Singapore. It was built with the purpose of connecting the two hills of Mount Faber and Telok Blanga Hill. The bridge has a unique waveform made up of 7 undulating curved steel ribs that alternately rise over and under its deck. The curved ribs form alcoves that function as shelters with seats within. Slats of yellow balao wood and all-weather timber found in Southeast Asia are used in the decking. Look out for curvings on the slats marking the height you are at on various points along the bridge, the waveforms will be lit with attractive lead light from 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. daily, giving the bridge an illuminative glow. So, ganyan na siya, guys.
So, yan na nga yung kanyang history, guys, ng Henderson Wave.
So, ito ang kabuuan ng Henderson Wave, mga kayamyam, dito sa Singapore. Makikita natin ang syudad ng Singapore, guys. Yung mga nagtaas ang building. Yan. Nandito tayo sa taas. So, ganito siya. Ganito ang itsura niya. Ganyan. Ayan, guys. And ganyan siya, guys. Ganito ang kanyang Henderson Wave. Kaya pala siya tinawag na wave kasi as in, yung kanyang pagkaka-art talaga is naka-wave talaga siya, mga kayamyam. Yan. Ang dami lagi ritong mga nagja-jogging, mga naglakad-lakad. Yan. Wala nga lang ditong no cycling or riding, guys. Tapos, ganyan. So, ito. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano nila, no? Pagkakagawa nila. Yan, isa sa tourist spot, mga kayamyam. So, dito, meron din nagde-date. Ayan, may nagde-date. Naku naman! Naano naman kami, naingat naman kami. Kaya kami magkakaroon ng ka-date. Yan.
1, 2, 3. Ganyan. Pwede ito ka, dinadalag na kami.
Tulog na tayo. So, ganito, maririnig natin yung huni ng ibon. Ayan. Yan, may nag-date. Sana all. Kayamyam, tayo ay pabalik na, guys, sa ating pinanggalingan. Tayo ay uuwi na. So, ayan na nga, guys, kung nagustuhan ninyo ang ating video for today, mga kayamyam, dito sa Henderson Wave na Singapore, mga kayamyam. Video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video na ating ini-upload, mga kayamyam. So ayan, see you my next vlog. Bye, guys.